we are all packed up. We are ready to go on a trip to Lava Hot Springs. We've cleaned the RV. We've
packed it,
repacked
it.
Oh, we've been packing all morning. I've got enough food in the RV for a month, and we're going to be gone for a long weekend.
Yeah.
It is our church, the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. It is their general conference, our general conference, and it is a weekend that we look forward to every 6 months. So we are going to watch general conference from our RV, and in between sessions we're going to ride our e-bikes and go get ice cream cones, and we're going to, what else do we do there?
We're going to go soak in the hot tubs. They've got some natural hot springs up at Lava Hot Springs.
They're clean. They're clean, and I hate to put the secret out, but they're wonderful. And we're going to do some outdoor cooking, and I don't know, whatever we want to do.
We're
Sleep.
Gonna kick back and relax, take naps. We're going to do what old people do.
Yeah. Well, before we go, I want to thank our sponsor, ButcherBox, for sponsoring today's video. And I want to show you what's inside. And I need to get inside of that box because I know what's inside of this. And I need to get a couple of steaks out for the weekend.
Well, I'm glad you know what's in here because I don't.
Well, at least I'm hoping. Yeah. And
ooh. Well, this is just in time.
Yes.
Nice and frozen.
And if you use the link in my description box, you'll get a free turkey in your first box of ButcherBox.
Well, I think this here's what I was looking for.
I need to get up here so I can see.
Oh,
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
You got some nice steaks.
Okay. Grass-fed sirloin. What else?
This is a boneless chuck roast.
Okay, we'll use that next Sunday.
Yep. And some hamburger, ground beef.
Yeah. Oh, I know. My kids, we call it hamburger. It's ground beef.
Yep. Okay. And then some sirloin tips. That'll make some good sandwiches. And then this here's some iron steak.
Ooh, maybe we want to take those tonight instead.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'll think about it.
But that is really nice. And the thing is that we don't mind paying a little bit of extra for premium meat, for high quality meat that is good, that you know is good, and it's delivered right to your door.
Yeah. So remember, if you use the link in my description box to subscribe, you'll get a free turkey with your first order. Dead on. Dead on.
He promised we would find the time, dreaming for eternity, creating perfect memories. Yeah, we hoped we were gonna make it. Little did I know that time would take us to a place where love could grow, but in a different way. Bigger than they'd say. Now looking at you keep me going back to those days, capable of keeping track of how many nights split past, cheap hotels and driving fast, and the radio playing our soundtrack, broken love, tequila and bluegrass, evenings just like movie scenes along the roads in Tennessee, dreaming of where we could be from the back of your dad's red truck.
We've got 1, 2, 3, I think 4 or 5 different pools with different temperatures.
The pool we were in last night is around the corner here,
and from up there is the hottest, and the water cools down. And that's why these are different temperatures, is because the water has a chance to cool down.
and we are on the outside of the fence right now, taking a walk.
We're on a walkabout today to see what else is fun to do here.
So during the summertime, the kids, and well, everybody, kids and adults, they get in their tubes and float this.
And we're going to do that
Next year. Something that has been super fun while we've been here is we have made friends. It seems like every time we turn around, we are making friends here. So we have invited them over for a hamburger and
potatoes and onions.
But there'll be people out flying drones. You go talk to them about their drone. Pretty soon you're friends. Everybody's just here wanting to relax
and enjoy, and they're friendly.
Yeah, they're happy.
Yeah, we met a couple from Alaska the other day. They gave us their phone numbers and says, well, when you come up to Alaska, and we're planning on going up there in a few years, call us. We'll be more than glad to take you out fishing.
Yeah, so we exchanged numbers, and we invited them to go to the hot tubs last night. But it's just really a lot of fun to get to this stage of life and to run into other people that are in your same stage. It's pretty fun. And we're in between sessions right now. We come enjoy watching our general conference quietly on our TV in our cozy little home, and it's just, oh, my spirit is lifted, my soul has lifted. I just feel
it's nice and rejuvenating. Just it gives you the energy and the spiritual high that you need to go another little bit.
Another 6 months.
The love of the Father and the Son is freely given, but also includes hope and expectation. Because they love you, they want you to have joy and success. Because they love you, they want you to repent, because that is the path to happiness.
Okay, can you see behind me? That is Main Street. There's a car around here somewhere. Yeah, there's one coming up the road. But the only people that are really here are the ones that are going to go get in the hot pools. But this is a pretty quiet Main Street.
You can see the mist off.
Oh yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah. We have got this place pretty much to ourselves here.
Oh yeah.
It is awesome.
Yeah, really fun.
The bottom of it is gravel. Show them the gravel.
Yeah.
So that feels good on your feet.
Yeah, that feels good when you massage your feet walking through that gravel. It really feels good.
It says it's 112. It says approximately 112.
Well, it feels every bit that 112.
You think?
Oh yeah.
I think it feels 103.
Well, we'll go fill the other ones. We'll let them cook for about 3 minutes. Then we'll flip them over and cook them just for a few more minutes. You like yours raw, medium rare.
I like my steaks medium rare, and I like them kind of crusty on the outside. And Chad puts a lot of salt and pepper on them, and oh, he does a good job of cooking steaks.
Thank you. Okay, it's been about 3 minutes, and so we're gonna flip those.
Ooh, yeah, that is what I'm talking about.
Oh yeah.
Nice. Ooh!
Yeah.
And then you've got your little row of potatoes.
And I've turned this side of the grill off or down to the lowest. So
Oh, so 4 minutes on this side.
yeah, so set your timer for 4 minutes.
That's your dirty little secret, isn't it?
I hope. I know Jared uses a lot of butter on his steaks. He swears by it. That That is so tender, juicy. I mean, people talk about, you know, smoking and you know, grilling, and I mean, this is pretty straightforward, just off of a flat grill, still grill. Salt and pepper seasoning. And that's all high quality steak needs. Forget the A1, forget the Heinz 57, salt and pepper, medium rare. Oh my word.
Thank you, Butcher Box. These steaks are really good. And I know it's not all Chad. I know it's just good meat.
What a fun little place to be. We've ridden our e-bikes, we've eaten good, we've soaked in the hot tubs,
Yeah.
we've just really enjoyed ourselves. Can't wait to come back. I mean, this has just been really nice.
So we go home, clean up, and do it again.
Yep. Not till next, not till probably February is when we've got a trip planned. So, all right, well, thanks for watching, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.